Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to read three numbers from the user and print them in ascending order. A variable x equal to integer of input of enter the first number. The input statement displays the string enter the first number in the console. When user enter a number, the input statement receives it as a string. In function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable x. Likewise, I am getting another two numbers from the user. Variable y equal to integer of input of enter the second number. Variable z equal to integer of input of enter the third number. So I have obtained three numbers from the user and storing it in the variable x, y and z. Now I am going to write a logic to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So for this I am declaring three variable min equal to mid equal to max equal to none. None means no value. I'm writing if statement if x less than y and x less than z colon. The value of x is less than y and less than z, then the AND statement will return true. Both the left side and right side expressions are true. Here I am comparing if y less than z, min, comma, mid, comma, max equal to x, comma, y, comma, z. So here the if statement which compare x less than y and x less than z, both the conditions are true. X is lesser than y and z. So inside the if statement I am writing a nested if statement. If y less than z, this is also true, then that means y is lesser than z. In this case the min, mid, max equal to x, y and z. So here the x will assign to min, y will assign to mid and z will assign to max. So I'm writing else here, else column y less than z is false. That means z is lesser than y. In this case, min, comma, mid, comma, max equal to x, z, y. Next, I am writing a loop statement. A loop y less than x and y less than z colon. When this condition is false, when x less than y and x less than z, if any one relational operator is false or both are false, the undo will return false, then control will come to the elif statement. I am writing a nested if statement if x less than z, min, mid, max equal to y, x, z. So see the condition. y is lesser than x and y is lesser than z. Obviously, the y is the minimum value. Here, so x less than z means x is greater than y and lesser than z. In this case, mid equal to x, max equal to z. Else, I am writing else if x less than z is false means min, comma, mid, comma, max equal to y, comma, z, comma, x. See the case, x is less than z is false means z is less than x. That's why the mid is z here, max equal to x. I am writing an else. When this condition is false, the control will come to the else. That means here x less than y and x less than z is false. Then only the control will come to L if y less than x and y less than z also false. That means z is lesser than x and y. So in this case, I am checking if x less than y colon, I am assigning min, comma, mid, comma, max equal to z, comma, x, comma, y. So z is lesser than x and y, that is minimum, and x also less than y, that is greater than z. So mid equal to x, max equal to y. If this is false, this condition is false, else colon. So this is false. X less than y is false means y is lesser than x. In this case, I am printing min, mid, max equal to z, comma, y, comma, x. I'm going to print the result. After the if, elif, and else structure, the next statement, I am printing the result. Print the numbers in ascending order. Colon. I'm closing the double quotation. Min, mid, max. So here I'm explaining a program. I'm obtaining three numbers from the user x, y, and z. So I'm assigning none to the three variables min, mid, and x. I'm comparing x less than y and x less than z. If this condition is true, I'm comparing y less than z. If this is true, in this case, x is lesser than y and z, y is lesser than z. So min equal to x and mid equal to y, max equal to z. If y less than z is false, in this case, control will come to the else. That means z is lesser than y. In this case, min equal to x, mid equal to z, max equal to y. If this condition is false, x less than y and x less than z is false, control will come to the L if I am checking y less than x and y less than z. If this condition is true, I am comparing if x less than z. If this is true, I am assigning min, mid, max equal to y, comma, x, comma, z. So here y is lesser than x and z. So min equal to y. Here x less than z is true. X is greater than y and lesser than z. That's why the mid equal to x. Z equal to max. If this is false, x less than z is false means z less than x. In this case, min, mid, max equal to y, comma, z, comma, x. If this condition also false, then the control will come to the else part. That means here the both the conditions are false means z is less than x and y. So in this case, I'm checking if x less than y. This is true. Min, mid, max equal to z, x, and y. If this is false, x less than y is false means y is less than x. In this case, I am printing min, mid, max equal to z, y, and x. So this is the if, elif, and else structure. So in this block, if condition is true, only the if block will get executed. That means if or else inside the if will get executed. Then after the execution, control will come out. If this is false only, then only the elif will be checked. If this is true, one of the if and else block inside the elif will get executed and control will come to the print statement. So if both are false, then only control will come to the else. So based on the value, If condition is true, if block will get executed or else block will get executed. If condition is false, then control will come out of the entire if, elif and else structure. So at one execution, only one block of the if, elif and else structure will get executed. That is the advantage of the if, elif and else structure. So after the execution, okay, after the execution, the next statement of the if, elif instruction is print. I'm printing the numbers. I have a message. The numbers in ascending order column. So min, mid, and max. Now we are going to execute the program and check the result. First number I'm giving 10, second number 20, third number 30. Here the numbers in ascending order 10, 20, and 30. I'm going to execute the program once again. I'm going to give a different value. The first number I'm giving 100, second number I'm giving 60, third number I'm giving 50. So the numbers in ascending order are 50, 60, and 100. Now I'm going to execute the program once again. I'm entering the first number 100, second number 200, third number is 150. So numbers in ascending order 100, 150, and 200. All the combination of input, the program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.